morning darshan, I was there in the veranda, seated, and I was there right at the back. And from a distance, Bhagwan was standing close to the door of the interview room. He just beckoned. And I looked back, whom is Bhagwan beckoning? And then people in the front said, no, he's calling you. Bhagwan is calling you, please go. So then he said, go in. So then we all went in for an interview. And I'm narrating this for a reason. There were just 4 others. And Bhagwan, it's a very humbling experience for me to recollect. He says, my doctor. Now, I want to add something here. I was only a figurehead. The point that I want to emphasize is Bhagwan took so much of joy, so much of pride in referring to all of us as his staff who were working in his institutions. I was just there as a representative. It has nothing to do with me. I don't think I should say that at all. But he, with a gleam in his eyes, he said, my doctor. And then after we came out, everyone, the other people in the interview room, what is your specialty? How long have you been working? Bhagwan took so much of joy. All right. Then in the interview room, I said to Bhagwan, today is the 10th anniversary of my father's demise. He said in Kannada, Nange ella gottu, meaning I know everything. You see, why will he call us on the 7th